Got him. First fish of the day. There we go. First keeper of the morning. On the old, I got a Bobby Garland slab slayer on this morning. Pink and chartreuse. Well, electric chicken. There you go. First fish of the day. There's a good one. There's a good crappie right there. Another nice crappie this morning. There's a good one. There's a good crappie right there. There you go. Another nice crappie this morning. Oh, we got another keeper here. Didn't have a camera. I say he's a keeper. I might want to check him. Yeah, he's 11-inch fish. Got that one. Well, we pulled another fish out. I don't believe he's a keeper though. Well, he's 10 1/4. 10 1/4. The way this day's going, I believe I'll keep. Gotcha. Got him. Oh, that's a good crappie there. Man, there's a lot of trash in the lake today. Golly. There's a little better one than we've been catching. All the trash on that fish. They're pretty good fish there. My God, he did. He thumped her. Oh, that's a good crappie right there. Oh, that is a big old crappie. That's a thumper there. There's a pretty nice crappie. Probably the pretty nice one. Got him. Oh, feels like a nice fish. Yeah, that's a pretty nice crappie right there. Oh yeah, he is. Get him over there. Heck yeah. There's a pretty nice crappie. Not bad. Got him. Got a good crappie here. Get him up here and get him in the net. Ah! The net's all screwed up. I'm about to throw this net out in the lake. Had my net flipped over where it wouldn't grab him. I had him hooked good though. Heck yeah. Not a bad crappie. There's a nice crappie right there. Boy, that's a toad. Holy moly, that's a toad. Look what a crappie. Caught that one on a tater bait. Purple monkey. That's a nice crappie right there. That is a nice one. He dumped it and I got him. Another nice crappie. Not too bad, he's a keeper. Fish. Oh yeah, that's a good crappie. Yeah. See, another one for the electric chicken. I like that electric chicken, guys. Good fish. Good fish. Didn't have my back camera on that time. Feels like a good one anyway. I don't think he's a monster. He's big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy moly. That is a very big crappie. Oh my God. That is one big crappie right there. Come on, the old electric chicken, guys. That's a toad. How broad that fish is. That fish is right at 14 inches. Well, that ain't a very big crappie, but it's number 15. I'm ready to head for the ramp anyway. Well, he's 11.5 inches, so he's just not a toad. Not a toad. Well guys, we had a pretty good day on bull shoals. The bite was a lot more finicky today than normal. The good old St. Croix with electric chicken got her done again today. That, and I caught a few on purple monkey tater baits. But we have got 15 nice crappie today. Today turned out good. It started real slow, but turned on there towards the end, and we had a good day. So I want to thank everybody for watching my videos and liking and subscribing and growing the channel. And I've got a real rough trip back across the lake. The lake's rough right now, so I'm going to get back across the lake and get the boat loaded. I'm pulling up on the main lake right now. I got to go plumb back to Nolan, so we'll see you on the next one, guys.